Hi guys, I've just cooked some Xsell it's 6 unbaked pork, apple, sage, onion sausage rolls. So, got these cheap from one of the local butchers. So yeah, they look really good. There's hardly any fat off them. So let's see what they look and taste like. Right, so cutting into them, you can have a look at that. That's gonna. You can tell they are nice, really nice. They'll actually be really nice when they've cooled off. I thought I'd show you them anyway. It's not loads of meat in it. You can tell what they've done is, if you look at the amount of pork they're putting, the rest of it's obviously apple, sage and onion. You can tell what they've done is you've probably got like 50% meat and the rest's like made up. But I think that's definitely worth a good purchase there, guys. I think we paid like 50p, they were on offer. It's good value. They don't shrink as well. They're exactly what they do. There's hardly any shrinkage on them. So yeah, definitely a good buy. Thought I'd show you them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.